Sometimes, watching other friends' unpleasant and irrelevant Snapchat stories might ruin the day. The mute option in the Snapchat app can come in handy if you don't want individual or group stories to stack up. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's stories on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom bar. Tap on particular person you want to mute story of. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the upper right corner. Tap on Story Settings from the menu. Move the toggle bar of Mute Story to right. Tap on Done to confirm it. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to mute someone's story on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.